Hey there, investors. Jim Cramer here, and let's talk Midcap Financial Investment, or MFIC. MFIC is a business development company, a BDC. What does that mean? They invest in other companies. But here's the twist. MFIC focuses on the middle market. These aren't your mega corporations. We're talking about solid growing companies that form the backbone of the US economy. MFIC provides them with the capital they need to expand and thrive. It's a win-win. MFIC gets a great return, and these companies get the fuel they need to grow. Now, you might be wondering, why the middle market, Jim? I'm glad you asked. The middle market offers a sweet spot for investment. These companies are established enough to have a track record, yet nimble enough to adapt and innovate. That translates into stability and growth potential for MFIC and its investors. Stay tuned, because we're about to dive deeper into why MFIC is a smart bet for 2024. Let's talk resilience. The middle market is known for weathering economic storms. These companies are often less affected by global volatility than their larger counterparts. They're rooted in local economies, serving diverse customer bases. This inherent resilience is a key advantage for MFIC. They're not putting all their eggs in one basket. Instead, they're invested in a broad range of industries and sectors within the middle market. Think about it: healthcare, technology, manufacturing, you name it, MFIC has a stake in it. This diversification spreads risk and positions MFIC for consistent returns, even when times get tough. Remember, folks, a diversified portfolio is a happy portfolio. And here's the kicker. MFIC isn't just passively investing. They're active partners with the companies they back, providing guidance and support to help them succeed. It's like having a seasoned coach in your corner, guiding you to victory. Now, let's talk interest rates. They're a big deal for BDCs like MFIC. Why? Because they borrow money to lend to those middle market companies. When interest rates are high, their borrowing costs go up, and that can eat into profits. But guess what? The winds are changing. Interest rate cuts are on the horizon, and that spells good news for MFIC. Lower rates mean lower borrowing costs, which translates into higher profits. It's basic math, folks. And here's the beauty of it. MFIC is structured to pass those savings directly to investors through dividends. That's right, lower interest rates mean more money in your pocket. Now, who doesn't love a bigger dividend check? MFIC's performance is closely tied to interest rates. As rates fall, their return on equity, or ROE, gets a nice boost. And a higher ROE makes investors happy. It's a win-win situation. Let's talk dividends, baby. That's the music every investor loves to hear. And MFIC is playing a sweet tune. They've got a history of paying attractive and, more importantly, stable dividends. Stability is key, people. You don't want a dividend that jumps up and down like a roller coaster. MFIC gets that. They're committed to providing investors with a consistent stream of income. Think of it like a reliable paycheck showing up quarter after quarter. That's the beauty of MFIC's dividend strategy. It's all about rewarding investors and sharing the company's success. And with interest rates poised to drop, those dividends are looking even sweeter. It's like getting a raise just for being an MFIC shareholder. Now that's what I call a smart investment. Section 5, Risk Management, MFIC's safety net. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, all this sounds great, but what about risk? Great question. Every investment comes with some level of risk, but MFIC is playing it smart. They've got a robust risk management strategy in place. Think of it as a safety net, protecting your investment. MFIC has a team of seasoned professionals who are experts at assessing and mitigating risk. They're constantly monitoring the market, looking for potential pitfalls and taking steps to avoid them. They're not just throwing darts at a board, folks. MFIC has strict underwriting standards. They don't just lend money to any company that comes knocking. They do their due diligence, analyzing financial statements, evaluating management teams, and making sure the business is sound. It's like having a financial bodyguard, watching your back and making sure your investment is protected. That's the MFIC difference. Section 6, Portfolio Power, MFIC's diversification strategy. Remember when we talked about MFIC's focus on the middle market? Well, it gets even better. Their portfolio isn't just diversified across industries, it's spread across different types of investments too. We're talking senior secured loans, mezzanine loans, equity investments, the whole shebang. This multi-pronged approach further reduces risk and enhances potential returns. Think of it like a well-balanced meal. You wouldn't want to eat just one type of food, right? Same goes for your investment portfolio. MFIC gets that. They're serving up a delicious buffet of investment options, all designed to maximize returns and minimize risk. It's like having a financial advisor who's constantly tweaking your portfolio, making sure it's perfectly balanced for optimal performance. That's the MFIC advantage. Section 7, Market Trends, MFIC's winning formula. Here's the thing about MFIs, they're not just riding the wave, they're surfing it. They've got their finger on the pulse of the market, anticipating trends and capitalizing on opportunities. In today's uncertain economic climate, that's more important than ever. MFIC's agility and adaptability give them a competitive edge. They're not afraid to adjust their strategy to stay ahead of the curve. Think of it like this, MFIC is like a chameleon, changing colors to blend in with the environment. Whether the market is up, down, or sideways, MFIC is positioned to succeed. They're not just reacting to the market, they're anticipating it. That's what sets them apart from the pack. And that's why MFIC is a smart bet for investors looking for stability and growth. Section 8. The MFIC Advantage, your path to stable income. So, there you have it, folks. Midcap Financial Investment, a BDC powerhouse with a proven track record of success. They're laser-focused on the resilient middle market, poised to benefit from interest rate cuts, and committed to delivering stable dividends to investors. Their robust risk management strategy, diverse portfolio, and ability to capitalize on market trends make MFIC a compelling choice for those seeking a reliable stream of income. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your portfolio and secure your financial future. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my market insights and stock picks. Remember, knowledge is power, and I'm here to empower you to make smart investment decisions. Stay tuned.